Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to set up Brevo's Autoresponder for email marketing. First, click on Automation from your dashboard. On this page, you'll see all your previous automations and a button in the top right corner labeled Create an Automation. Click on it. Now you'll have two options. You can either create an automation from scratch or use a built-in automation. Since we're setting up an autoresponder for a welcome message, we'll use a built-in automation. Here, you'll see an entry point where your automation will start when a contact joins or is added to your list. Then you can add a delay time according to your preference, followed by an action to send a welcome email. Next, click on Use this automation. Now choose the list that someone will join and then set a delay in minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months based on when you want your email to be sent. After that, click Next. Then choose the email template you want to send. Once you've selected your template and confirmed the settings, click on Activate Automation. That's it! Your autoresponder is now active and ready to send automated welcome emails to new subscribers. Hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how to set up an autoresponder easily in Brevo. Thanks for watching.